Why did the Guadalupe River rise 20 feet in just 2 hours? A once-in-a-century storm just struck Texas. Here's what you need to know. Torrential rain hit central Texas on July 4th, sending rivers surging over their banks. At least 27 people are dead, and dozens, many of them children, are still missing after camps along the Guadalupe River were devastated. Over 1,000 rescuers are searching through debris, racing against time as more rain threatens. Communities are shattered, but hope remains as survivors are found. Stay tuned for more updates on this ongoing emergency.